So, bonjour, bonjour, and welcome to Fiction After Lunch. Or maybe,
Baking after lunch.
Baking After Lunch?
Baking after lunch, yes.
Perfect.
Yeah, I'm Sam, this is Mindy, over there is Meg.
Hello.
Fictional baking.
Yeah.
Fictional baking.
We try to look as professional as we can.
Yes. So this is how Sam normally looks.
Yes, this is my professional look.
Yes.
And today we are going to bake a tomato cake.
Yay!
We have a tomato recipe from the internet from 1950, and I made a little picture. What do you want to tell me, Meg? Was?
Which way do you want to hold the mobile phone?
This is a good point.
Hmm?
Because usually you use a white screen format.
Yeah.
So you,
Oh,
you
so
should turn it and we should
Stop the
So-
video. Stop the.
So we are back.
Now that we changed the format and we decided we don't want to retake the video, I think we can start.
Yes.
Can we?
So what are the first steps in order to bake our tomato cake?
The first step is cream sugar into butter. And this is our first obstacle because I forgot to bring the butter.
And I don't have butter or anything.
Just take oil.
Yeah, we're taking oil and a little bit of milk.
Sunflower
Yes,
oil.
so here we have some stuffs that we are
Yeah.
going to use. So we have some color, how is it the same in English? Fondant?
Yeah.
To form like little figures or anything.
Foundation.
Foundation? Nah, I don't
Nein.
think it's
No.
And then we have like a lot of decoration stuff.
Ice.
Our ice, our ice that we also use for our Halloween cupcakes, sugar, flour.
Yeah.
Yes.
And the most important part, tomatoes.
Tomatoes!
Not sponsored.
Yeah, nothing is sponsored. We
Nothing.
don't get money for this. We needed to buy everything by
Yeah.
our own earned money. So, Sam!
Yeah, I think we can start with cream the sugar into the butter.
Yeah, everything that we don't have right now, we will put here inside.
Yes.
Yay!
1 cup of sugar are like 200 grams.
So here we have.
I don't see shit.
That's perfect.
Okay.
I like how my garbage is like in behind
No,
the
don't,
picture.
don't.
And like there's only toilet paper or anything inside of it.
Don't ask. Don't ask.
Don't ask questions here.
I think that's the sugar.
Yeah, it should
I think,
be.
no, it's all.
Yeah, we can also put
Uh,
200 grams salt.
Why is it changing?
Ah, you need to wait. What? Ah, okay.
Okay.
Now it works. So let's see how precise Sam.
What?
I like when I said the sentence that immediately you are like covering the weight, like scale. Okay.
You want to change?
Yes.
Okay. Careful with the background.
Yes.
Ah.
How much? 200, right?
Yeah.
Let's see how it works. There's so much sugar. A little more.
Shh, I'm concentrating.
Ah. Okay,
Yeah.
don't move. Don't move.
So.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, then I will change positions again,
Mm-hmm.
and we will see what comes next.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The next step would be to put the butter in here.
But we don't have butter, so we are just going to use some oil.
Yeah, you
And-
give me. And some milk.
Yeah, we thought about just adding some more milk instead of butter and some oil.
Yes. It should have been 2 table. Do you have to zoom in like that?
Yes.
Okay.
More for the dramatic effect. Dramatic effect of opening a milk.
Yeah.
bottle.
So it should have been 2 tablespoons of butter. So we put 1 tablespoon of milk, 1 of oil.
Okay. Let's see.
Whoop.
That was like 1.5 tablespoon? Maybe?
Yeah. Maybe.
Maybe. I really like how in the background, maybe you hear it, Meg is playing some video games. Very professional.
Oh yes, of course, because I have to program everything for your little baking experiment to.
Oh, you need to
work out.
program. What
Of
do you need to
course, I have to-
program?
Live editing.
Live
I-
editing.
I have to edit the source code of the matrix, so you
What?
may proceed in your baking.
Ah, okay, yeah, I understand.
Of course you don't.
Of course we don't. Now we are going to mix everything. I'm really curious how like the tomato cake will be, because I never ate a tomato cake before, and
Me
I
neither.
just cannot imagine like tomatoes in a cake, that it tastes good.
Where did you get this inspiration to do it?
Yeah, where did you get it?
From a famous TikToker who does old-timey recipes. I think we will put the link to his video in the description.
Yeah, I think so.
And according to him, this tomato cakes were quite popular in the 1950s.
Where they popular?
America.
America, okay. Okay.
Okay.
So now we can, if it looks like this.
If it looks like this is the part where I stopped.
This is the part where you stopped.
Yes. And now we can mix flour, spices and salt in a different bowl. I'm choosing this bowl,
Yay. Which looks exactly like the bowl before,
but bigger.
but bigger.
Okay.
And now it's time for our professional scale again.
Yeah. 2 cups of flour should be 260 grams. If I... Oh, I forgot how much I have to put in.
Everything.
Professional.
260.
Wow.
Wow.
I do like your hairstyle today.
Thank you.
Yeah, I like your hair color, by the way.
It would have been so funny if you had answered.
Yeah, thank you, Meg.
You think I'm talking to?
No, you never talk to me, I know.
Exactly.
Yes.
I'm so warm.
You're so warm.
Close up of the 260 grams.
Ah, you made it perfectly again.
Of course.
Oh, very nice. Okay,
I'm a good baker.
you're a good bake.
Okay. Cinnamon.
Ah, yeah,
Again,
cinnamon.
I can't see shit.
Okay, short
That's
break.
not cinnamon.
So now you're going to put cinnamon inside.
Yeah.
How much?
Like 1 tablespoon.
You can use everything. I think you can completely open it then.
Oh,
Because there's not much inside anymore. So you can just use all of it.
I could have brought own cinnamon. No, it's a little bit. I think that's not enough.
What can you use like instead of cinnamon also?
Oh, something else that was in the original recipe. What were cloves?
Knoblauch.
No.
Wasn't it? Gloves? Cloves? I think so.
Are you sure?
Meg, what are gloves?
What?
Cloves. I think it's Knoblauch.
Stopp mal kurz.
Isn't that guy?
Okay, so...
And we're back.
And we're back, and after discussing what was it?
Ground cloves.
Ground cloves are. We finally found it, but we don't have the ground ones.
So we have to ground them ourselves.
Yes.
Yeah. Zoom in on me struggling.
Yes.
How do you even...
Use the other side maybe.
Ah. Okay.
Maybe that's a little bit more comfortable.
I'm grounding the cloves.
I like the sound of it. ASMR grounding cloves. Cloves. How is it written?
Cloves.
So you could mistake it for like the same word as for like garlic.
Yeah.
Like one garlic piece is like a clove. Does it work?
Yes, but I don't want to put blood in there.
Oh, this is fiction after lunch. We are explicit, so you can put blood in there.
But doesn't that help the colour? Because you're
I'm looking annoyed behind this mask.
I need to put an annoyed face, you know.
You're making a tomato cake, aren't you?
Yeah.
So,
It would make sense
yeah,
to
of
put.
course.
Yeah.
Helps the colour.
Yeah.
Ich aufnehmen soll.
Oh shit. Okay.
Okay, it went away.
Okay.
Now you know why my floor is so dirty.
No, I didn't put it in the floor. I put it in here.
In the floor.
On the floor.
Thought you needed some
Annoyed
new tiles.
phrase improved, huh?
Thought you needed some new tiles.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, next step. We can... Oh, salt. This is Mindy's favorite ingredient.
Yes, I put salt on everything,
Yeah, I think...
even on my dessert.
I don't see...
I think that's enough,
Okay.
actually.
Sorry,
Like-
I don't see anything.
Yeah, I like salt on my dessert, but not too much salt.
Okay. The next step is mix the tomato sauce with the baking soda. Tomatoes.
Mm. Now the main ingredient for our tomato cake, right?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
I'm actually really scared of this cake. Like,
I'm very excited for this cake.
it
Burst
smells really tomato-like.
Yeah, it smells like tomato.
Yeah,
Tomato.
like good tomatoes. Like, does this work?
Maybe.
Write in the comments if you think that this tastes good. Combined with...
According to those people who tried it, it tastes good. And as I said, they used to be very popular.
But now they're not popular anymore. Like...
Not with this attitude. Okay.
No one saw it, but Sam maybe threw it next to my garbage can. No.
You're the only one who throws stuff next to the garbage can. Who was the person who cleaned up yesterday? I think that wasn't you.
Oh no, I'm so sorry. Thanks for cleaning my apartment.
Yes, I live here.
Yes, like this.
I'm not sure how much.
So now we have baking powder.
How much do you want the cake to explode?
It's a tomato cake, so it can explode.
Okay.
I think
How much do you want it to explode? Yes.
yes.
Yeah.
Just yes. How much? Yes.
Okay.
I never saw the combination of baking powder and tomatoes. This is very interesting.
Yeah. Okay.
It looks weird. Does it have a reaction already?
Yes, it should have a reaction. The baking soda should react with
Yeah.
the acid should make it react. And now we have to alternate mixing the second and the third bowl with the first bowl. Do you remember which one was the first
I
one?
think the first one was the one with the sugar,
Okay.
and the second bowl was the one here with the flour.
I made a really good decision to take the smallest one as the first bowl.
Oh!
Okay.
Like, where do you need to put everything inside? Into the first bowl?
Yeah.
Oh,
Does it fit?
you can try.
I try.
So everything needs to be put here.
Yes.
Let's see. Oh my god, sugar. Okay. Woo.
Okay, this was not a good idea.
So in the meantime, while Sam is preparing our tomato cake, I am already like preheating the oven. And actually, I don't have a real oven, so I have like this microwave oven thingy.
Please don't open the lid. Don't.
What?
Don't.
What don't?
Show me inside.
No, I was trying not to show the inside.
Yeah.
It's not of
It's
interest for you.
That's what's important.
What I really want to show you is like how I connect my oven with my
No, don't.
room.
No.
I will show you. So there's the cable.
Oh my.
The cable is connected to my rice
No,
cooker.
don't.
And
Oh, don't. Oh, why did you... Oh, plug it in upside down. What's wrong with you?
what is wrong with Sam is just like, I'm concentrating here. I don't see any difference.
I'm doing art.
You're doing art. Oh. Oh. So now you have almost everything connected apart from the flour yet, right? Like this comes inside last. So let's see how it will turn out.
Yep.
I hope Meg you're really hungry.
Oh, yes.
Oh yes?
Yeah.
Because I think it will be maybe a combination of dessert and like real food, you can say, like a real meal.
Oh, I want to.
Real food, not the plastic one.
Yeah, not the plastic
Easy
food.
taken in.
I just also want to add this.
Ah, what are you adding now?
Vanilla sugar.
Vanilla sugar.
Yeah.
So now we get some more sugar inside.
Yeah.
Ah, like a whole package? Okay.
No point in just using a bit. Do you smell it?
Yes, I smell it. Dear viewer,
Yeah.
can you also smell the delicious smell of sugar, tomatoes, and flour? Mm. No, I don't want to.
What?
No, you're beautiful again.
Thank you. I'm always beautiful on the inside.
Okay, so now we decided, because there are still like a lot of pieces of the tomatoes inside, we decided to, how is it called, mix it?
Yeah.
Like with my hand mixer, which is connected now with my oven, which is connected with my plug here. Which I find very interesting to include maybe. So let's see, show us your power of mixing.
I'm scared that the oven will turn off when I turn the mixer on.
No, I already tried it myself,
You just
so...
have to be confident.
Woo.
What?
You just have to be confident. You have
Yeah,
to
be
yeah.
confident.
Okay.
Perfect. Is it mixed?
No.
No?
No.
No?
Do you want?
Should I do?
Do you want to mix?
I can mix. Okay, so I mixed a little bit and now it's smooth.
Smooth.
Smooth. Should I reconnect the mixer again?
No.
Or do you want to
Disconnect.
disconnect? Reconnect.
Disconnect. Mixer.
Yay! So this is the finished mixture so far. And what are you going to do with it now? Are we going to put it into a form?
I think that's too small.
You think so? Meg,
I
what
think
what
so.
do you think?
Is this too small?
Meg, please stop playing video games for a moment
What is it?
and pay attention. Do you think this form is too small for this
I
star?
think it's too small.
I think it's okay. Depending on how much it will also like become bigger. Like we have also
We
like
have a
a
lot of
different
baking
form.
soda. I
Okay,
think
just take the bigger one.
Yeah.
Take this one.
Just take
yeah.
the bigger one. Okay.
This is my hand, if you like to see it.
Yeah.
hand reveal.
Hand reveal. Oh my god.
I have a few friends who are really into hands, so this is for them.
Yes,
Oh, Mac,
What is
come
it?
to me, come to me.
Excuse me?
What? No! Whew.
We don't.
Yeah, because we don't have butter, Sam is now putting in baking
And hair.
and hair.
Beautiful.
It seemed like you had like a lot of fun doing this.
I had.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers! So, Mac, what are you drinking in the background?
Well, that would be an unpaid advertisement.
Oh, sorry. You're drinking some lemonade, right?
Yes.
Some kind of lemonade. Okay, now we are going to put everything inside. And hopefully it will become bigger in the oven, who is now preheating.
Yeah.
So this is how the dough looks before we put it into the oven, and now we are going to put it in the oven for 40 minutes, you said?
Mm-hmm.
And at how much degree? Temperature?
176, 75.
Very precise.
176 degrees Celsius. Or
If it's just 1 degree more or less, it will not work.
I mean 300 in Fahrenheit.
you-
I'm not sure.
I think you have to add 32 or 33 degrees.
Yeah, perhaps.
Yeah.
Perhaps.
But
We will
don't-
see. We will see how it turns
We
out.
don't
Right?
respect Fahrenheit people.
What?
Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm hyperventilating now. Ah! Okay, let's put it in the oven.
Yeah, you put it in there.
I will do it. Cameraman is doing work.
Yeah. We.
Whee! Ah, it hurts. No.
Now
Put
we're
it-
going to make the decorations.
Yes.
And because we want to make tomatoes out of fondant, I thought that maybe it would be boring when they're just clumps
Clumps.
of fondant.
Mm.
So I bought pralines,
Pralines?
this. And so we put them inside the tomatoes, so we have a little surprise. But unfortunately, the package was faulty, and
Wow! How many did you eat?
none.
None?
Yes.
What exactly is fondant? Because I never heard of it like before. I never worked with it.
Sugar.
Yeah,
It's just sugar.
it's basically sugar
Okay.
with a lot of stuff.
With a lot of stuff. Okay. So sugar like combined with stuff which makes it more like, how's it called?
Oh, it's
Formable?
Actually, it is pretty easy to make it yourself because you just need powdered sugar and some liquid.
Okay.
For example, some milk or some juice. And if you mix both of them, you will have a mass like that one.
I like that. Ouch!
It's come a bit late.
You could also use some blood to do it.
Yeah.
So some blob, what?
Blood.
Blood? Oh yeah. Use my blood, please.
What?
Okay, so and now the idea was that you how's it called? Color the fondant
Yes.
with food coloring
Yes.
to make them look like tomatoes in the end, right?
Yeah. This is rot, which is German for red.
What?
Learning some German here now.
Yeah. I hope this will work.
I think you need to combine it first with liquid, isn't it? Or something
don't
like
know.
this? Or can you just powder it? I can take a look maybe if you want.
I can read. I like to read.
Sam's reading skills. Wow.
Bitte beachten Sie die Gebrauchsanweisung.
Yeah.
You couldn't put it just on the package, did you? This is Polish.
We can also read it in Polish for our Polish
yeah.
I will not.
listeners or for our French
Oh,
listeners.
we can read it in English.
Or you
Oh,
could
yeah.
give it to me.
This is Spanish.
Mac, do you want to read the introduction?
I could if you like.
Yeah, maybe you can give it to Mac and he
Yeah.
will read it in English
Oh,
with
yeah,
a
please.
nice
Instruction.
accent.
Instruction.
Do you want to read it with a
Maybe
nice
we-
accent?
Ah, here. Here it is.
So only your hands are
He's
here.
not-
Oh, yes, yes. Where is it? Is it?
Okay, Sam now needs to show what Meg is explaining.
Élelmiszer színezek.
Right?
Használati utasítás. Ízletesnek tűnik. I don't know.
Please, in some
Ah, here.
languages we can understand, all of us.
Of course. It was supposed to be Hungarian.
Ah, no. I
Food,
don't.
food colorant. Instructions for use. That looks delicious. I'm not kidding, it's actually written here. That looks delicious.
Say,
Here, there it is, here.
Where is it?
That looks...
Where?
You're out of focus, here.
Ah, but your paper's in the way.
Look,
Huh?
No.
Wait, the focus?
that looks delicious.
Ah, yeah,
Yeah.
that looks delicious. I see.
And, oh, it's just another, like an advert again. Enjoy conjuring up. Enjoy conjuring up colourful cakes and other sweet treats. It's easy with the food colorants from brand here. They can be used to colour sweets, sugar coatings and decorations, marzipan, desserts and fine pastries. For the best results, follow our instructions for use. The proper colour only becomes apparent once dissolved. So don't worry if the powder initially appears to be a different colour. Recommended amount up to 4 grams per kilogram of food as needed. Colouring glacé icing. Is that what you need? A icing? To do icing?
I'm not sure if it's icing. I think icing would be with butter. Can you not?
No.
Can you?
No.
My eyes are up here.
Mix the icing sugar with very little water.
Okay.
Now mix in the food colorant until you get the desired color depth. After that, if necessary, add more liquid, such as lemon juice, until you get the desired consistency.
Ah, so we
Yeah.
need to combine it with some liquid.
I don't
Exactly, or
think
juice.
I
But
want
you-
to, this will not be possible because this will break when
There
we.
could also be another way, like for... No, that's another... Where's English? Good old English, where are you? Oh, here.
So maybe we should try it first
perhaps
with
for
powder.
colouring desserts. Mix 1 tablespoon of icing sugar with half a tablespoon of water. Add more food colorant to this
But
mix.
it's not icing
No.
sugar.
It isn't.
Maybe we can just make an experiment and try with the powder.
instruction says so.
Well,
No,
then I'm sorry for the instructions.
it's rubbish.
Maybe you need to put
What
more.
other languages are there? Plenty. We wish you lots of fun creating and decorating. Liars.
Did it change color? I think that it's interesting that the powder itself is yellow.
Yeah.
Let's see after a while how it will turn out. Okay, so we decided to combine the powder with some
Water.
water and
It's
Yes.
just color. Don't get scared. It's.
don't get scared. Oh my god,
It's
it
color.
looks delicious.
Yeah.
Oh my, and your hands
I sh-
also.
I should have bought other coloring, but you said, "Oh, I have food
Yeah, I
coloring
have food
here."
coloring.
But your food coloring is shit.
Yay! Oh my god.
This is not going to be a nice tomato.
But if we make like tomato monsters who are like a little bit white in the face. Yeah, let's see how our experiment will continue.
Yeah.
See you later. Okay. So, welcome back. Because the powder didn't work so good, now we have like skin color instead of wet.
Yeah.
Sam and Meg just went to the supermarket and brought some, oh my god.
What?
How's it
What?
called? Tube coloring.
Tube coloring.
How is it like the translation into it? Like fluid coloring?
Syringe, isn't it?
Syringe?
Of course.
I don't think it's really a syringe, isn't it?
Well, should it be?
Like it's color coming out from a tube, so it's like I would say like just liquid coloring instead of pulver
Yeah,
or powder.
it's more of a liquid. Yeah.
Look at
Yeah.
it. Beautiful.
And now I'm really curious if it will
Oh, it's
change better.
still a
Maybe
bit-
you can still now put it
yeah.
on the how's it called
Surface.
surface here. Oh.
It already looks different, doesn't it?
Yes, I think this works much better. Okay, Sam, what is the plan for now? Because you're now putting it on the plate.
We have to let it dry again. Imagine a annoyed face.
Like now we are making an alien UFO, and hopefully
No.
it works. No?
I
No?
wanted to make surprise. No, it's not a surprise, and now that's sticking to the table, and I'm.
Oh no! Sam is exploding of frustration.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay. Second try for the UFO. It's always either too dry or too fluidy. I'm not sure what to do. Don't film me struggling.
Oh, you just can cut that later.
Yeah, I'll cut it later. Distraction!
What are you doing? What is it?
Yes.
Okay, we're continuing with the with stuff. I'm putting powdered sugar.
With stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. What kind of stuff are we continuing with?
I was just about to tell you.
Okay, then continue.
I'm putting powdered sugar in a bowl. As much as my heart tells me to put. Whee!
Whee! I like that your heart makes hui sounds.
Yeah. Then I put a bit of milk. And then I put, oops.
Just this much?
Yeah, you have to be very careful with powdered sugar. I will add more
Ah,
if I
okay.
need more. And I know where the cacao is. This one or the other one?
You can choose which one you want.
Okay, I want this one.
So now you're going to make like something chocolatey. Chocolate.
Chocolate!
Chocolate!
Okay.
So now you put some cacao inside.
Yeah. I need
baking.
another spoon. Spoon. Hello.
Hello, spoon.
You see?
Okay, now it becomes like cream.
Mm-hmm.
And this is the texture it should have.
I don't know.
Oh, okay. It's very tasty.
Oh, it should be fine. Okay, I'm going to put it on the cake now, and then we can close the cake again.
Okay, let's do this.
And then we continue with the decoration.
Okay.
Okay. Whee!
Whee! Chocolate on tomato cake.
Chocolate on tomato
Was it also
cake.
in the original recipe that they put chocolate on
In
it?
the
Or?
original recipe, he put it on top of the cake.
Ah, so, okay. They included the chocolate cream.
Yeah, yeah.
That's the important thing.
But I wanted to put it on the inside because on the outside we put the fondant.
Okay.
Chocolate.
Chocolate everywhere. It's so beautiful.
Okay.
Now we are going to close it.
Yeah. Should I?
Yeah.
Okay. Ah. So. Oh.
Perfect. Sandwich is finished.
Shit. Eh. Eh.
Oh, it looks beautiful. Ooh, I see a hand. Oh,
Yeah.
I see a finger. Oh my god, I see a lot of chocolate.
Oh, it was too much. Okay. My heart told me to put too much.
I think it's okay.
Okay.
My heart also tells me it's fine. I love chocolate.
Okay. So.
My heart doesn't talk to me for a long time now.
Wow!
And now we put fondant on top of the cake. Ah! It's too much. This is a lot more than I expected. Okay. Ah, shit. Okay. Okay.
Finished! I think this is perfect. You can maybe put it under the cake a little bit. Like maybe surround the whole cake with fondant.
That's what you always do. That's
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
So also like, what's it called? Not the backside.
ah. You mean you put it underneath?
Yeah, because you have so much.
No. That's too much.
Okay.
I have chocolate on my fingers. This is not good.
Sam goes into the corner and cries.
Nine.
Are you?
Shit. Nine. Upset German noises.
We need to put some subtitles here.
Nine.
Going to try something. Watch. Ah.
It's perfect!
The sound of success.
Ah.
What are you doing to our cake? Love! There was a lot of love. Oh, this looks very nice. Laughter.
Yes.
That looks really cool.
Okay.
Now the cake will have the color of your hair.
Yeah. My natural hair.
Your natural hair.
How beautiful.
Thank you. Please, everyone, appreciate Mindy's work. Mindy put the ice on the tomatoes.
Yes. I think they are really cute.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Sounds in the background. Mac, don't fart.
I didn't.
But it sounded like it.
No.
I like that all the tomatoes are now showing in the direction where I cannot make the camera movement. Oh no! So it's like a tomato army.
Genau, it's the tomato army and the spaceship you put there.
Okay. And our goal is that the spaceship will fly, but let's see how we will
Make it fly.
make it fly.
That's a German saying, to make a fly.
To make a fly.
Of course.
Oh, they are really cute. Yeah, energy! Because our project is finished! Look how many tomato monsters are looking at you right now. Oh, running away from a big spaceship. Like a cow. Just putting stuff in the back, run away. The spaceship is attacking here, everything. And the tomato monsters are attacking the city. Do you like it, Sam?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Are you proud?
I'm in pain right now.
You're
I'm
in pain
so
right now.
tired. Everything hurts. I'm
So-
upset that it doesn't look like I imagined it to look like.
But I think it's normal that sometimes it doesn't look like you imagine it to.
Yeah.
Like, especially when the spaceship is like, we don't have like a real holder, kind of.
Yeah.
And when the fondant just decides to run away. But I really like our tomato monsters, they are really cute. And the leaves we did very well, I think.
Mhm.
Like, the tomato monster with one eye. Cow. And the spaceship. Okay, so now we are going to eat it, I think, right?
Ja.
Okay, let's see how it tastes. Irgendwie so ein Nudelgericht esse. Mit Tomatensoße. Aber gleichzeitig auch ein Kuchen. I don't get it.
Mir schmeckt's.
Ich find's sehr gut. Das mit der Schokolade und so ist auch eine richtig gute Idee gewesen.
Ja.
Und mit dem Fondant, das ist...
Ich hatte gedacht, der wird vielleicht etwas trocken. Und deshalb habe ich auf die Schokoladensoße bestanden. Aber der ist auch so richtig saftig. Und ich meine, es ist kein Ei drin, das heißt, uns wird auch nicht schlecht werden, falls es nicht richtig durch ist.
Mhm.
Also ein guter Kuchen. Ja, alle zufrieden?
Ach, machst du noch ein Video?
Ja, kurzes Video. Alle zufrieden?
Ja!
Ja.
I'm satisfied to my deep cores. What?
Was?
What?
Was?
What?
Also, allen schmeckt's. Ende gut, alles gut.
Ich kann es echt nicht fassen. Wirklich.
Cannot believe that it tastes so good.
Okay. Yay!
Yay.